Scary today. There's a big truck doing tree trimming, huh? But it's okay. You guys are fine. They say, I'm ready to go home. Are you ready to go home? I think you are. See? Good girl, Megan's now Molly. You're okay, baby. Yeah, you're okay. Hot Landon's Baxter. Got a couple names now. Julie might stay Julie. Hi, Julie. It's not lunchtime. Oh, it's almost lunchtime. When they see me at this time of the day, they lick their chops. I'm the food lady. Mia. Hey, Molly. Megan Molly. Oh, I know. You guys are okay. So we have really loud tree trimmers. We have an easement behind us, and it's super loud. So the pups are all hearing that. They're a little bit scared, but they're recovering. Anyway, hi babies. It's go home week. Just a couple more days. That's hope. Julie. I know you want your lunch. There's Carly. Hi Carly. Great eye contact. There's Brandy. Mia. Where's everybody else? Uh-oh, Brandy, are you chewing somebody's tail? You chewing Abby's tail. There's Clint. He gives good eye contact. Oh, the noise is going away. I think it's their lunchtime. Yay. Okay, you guys okay now? I'll come in and visit, okay? All right. Say see you soon, families. I know. I'm going to come in. Okay. Bye-bye.